Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an NFT on OpenSea with MetaMask. First, install the MetaMask browser extension and set up your wallet. Next, ensure your MetaMask wallet is funded with sufficient Ethereum, or ETH, to cover both the NFT's price and any associated gas fees. Finally, navigate to OpenSea and connect your MetaMask wallet to create your account, preparing you for your first digital art acquisition. With your wallet ready, it's time to explore OpenSea's vast marketplace. Take your time browsing through various collections and artists to discover an NFT that truly resonates with you. Once you find a potential piece, thoroughly examine its details, including the current price, the creator's background, and the collection's overall standing. Always check the NFT's transaction history and rarity before making a decision. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply click the Buy Now button on the NFT's page. This action will prompt your MetaMask wallet to open, displaying the transaction details, including the NFT price and the estimated gas fees. Carefully review all the information. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction within MetaMask to finalize your acquisition. Your new digital asset will soon be yours. Congratulations, your new NFT is now officially yours. You can view it directly within your OpenSea profile and also in your MetaMask wallet. From here, you have several options. You can proudly display your digital art, consider listing it for sale, or even transfer it to another wallet. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your digital lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.